Need to withdraw profits from OANDA? Here's how. Fast and clear. You can withdraw by bank transfer, card refund, or e-wallets where supported. We'll show each method with fees and typical processing times. Bank transfers commonly take 2 to 5 business days. International can take up to 7 to 10. Card refunds typically take 3 to 10 business days, depending on your card issuer. E-wallets like Skrill or Neteller may be instant or settle within 1 business day where available. OANDA usually does not charge withdrawal fees, but receiving banks or providers may apply fees. Expect possible receiving bank fees or card issuer charges. Check with your bank beforehand. Step 1. Log into your OANDA account and open the withdrawal menu. Step 2. Select your withdrawal method, enter the amount, confirm your details, then submit. Track the request in account history and contact support if processing exceeds the listed times. Check your account settings now to confirm withdrawal options, limits, and contact details.